Workplace Hub is designed to bring together existing hardware, software, and services into a convenient and connected platform. Facilitate team and remote working. Automate mundane tasks to free up staff. And manage all IT requirements and systems simply from an admin dashboard. But now all of these advantages are being reimagined to create a whole new segment in the IT market. Workplace Hub Edge fits into standard IT racks and offers a scalable IT platform for all sizes of operation. It allows remote management of multiple Edge units in one or many locations. It provides an evolving system that can grow with a business, creating a platform for artificial intelligence and Internet of Things solutions. Workplace Hub Edge not only builds on a company's existing IT infrastructure, but builds the smart foundations to cater for their growing IT demands too.